So I have a proposal of a new set of policies to help combat gentrification and displacement. Um, this problem itself poses a unique set of obstacles that intertwine civil rights and the rights to free enterprise. So I suggest a policy that expresses its ideals and uses ethics to lead by example. So some elements that I want people to consider in my policy are the virtue of different outcomes, and how they come about those outcomes, the conscientiousness of those involved, the responsibility of those involved to society as a whole, and the proposed policies would incorporate elements of civil rights, care ethics, and deontology. As you know, deontology and care ethics are philosophical approaches to how we should handle different challenges that present to us. So with care ethics and deontology, I say that we should take a more intrinsic approach to solving this problem, uh, instead of a numbers one where we look at values and things like that. It's more of an intrinsic personal issue than you know monetary and things like that. Here I talk a little bit more about what ethical approach can be applied and why. Of course, I already said care ethics and deontology, but I would say care ethics because this is a situation where I believe everyone has a right to have an abode, to have a house, especially if they've already been in that area. There's no reason why they should have to move due to the actions of others. Developers should focus on bringing the population out of hardship through collaboration and community input, as opposed to just thinking about the bottom line, the money bottom line of it. They need to think about the people, the profit, as well as the environment itself. So, in this approach, will likely have more positive, longer lasting impacts. They just won't have those short term, instant impacts that you might see with luxury development and things like that. So, all the different sources that I use to create this slide show and the presentation as a whole can be found on this works cited page. Most of them have links, so you should be able to be taken right to that article or study if you want to take a look at it. And so thank you for listening to me talk. And if you have any questions or anything like that, please do not hesitate to comment below, and I will be sure to answer back. Thank you. Have a great day.